My dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum. Today, we will present to you two faith-inspiring and thought-provoking incidents that revive in our hearts the understanding of paradise's bliss, hell's severity, and the sense of accountability before Allah. The breeze of paradise and the intensity of hellfire. The Prophet Muhammad narrated that on the Day of Judgment, a person who spent their entire life in suffering and hardship will be called. Allah will ask, "How was your life?" The person will respond, "O Lord, my life was nothing but sorrow and pain. I cannot recall a single moment of happiness." Asterisk. Then Allah will command the angels, "Take this person near the gates of paradise so that they may feel a single breeze of its air." After this, the person will be asked again, "How was your life?" The person will reply, "My life was so full of comfort that I cannot recall any hardship at all." Just one glimpse of paradise erased all the hardships of their worldly life. Then, another person will be called, one who never experienced sorrow in their life and spent it in luxury and ease. Allah will ask, "How was your life?" The person will respond, "O Lord, my life was entirely comfortable. I experienced no grief." Allah will then command the angels, "Take this person near the gates of hell so that they may feel a single gust of its heat." After feeling just one gust of hellfire, the person will be asked again, "How was your life?" The person will say, "O Lord, my entire life was full of pain and suffering." This is the state of paradise's bliss and hell's severity, so overwhelming that the realities of this world pale in comparison. The Test of the Shepherd by Umar Farooq R.A. During one of his journeys, Umar ibn al-Khattab R.A. was struck with hunger. He saw a shepherd grazing a flock of sheep at a distance and approached him. Umar R.A. asked for some milk. The shepherd replied, "These sheep are not mine, I am a servant employed to tend them. Without my master's permission, I cannot give you anything." To test him, Umar R.A. suggested, "Sell me one sheep and take the money. When your master asks, tell him that a wolf devoured it." The shepherd immediately replied, "O Prince, where is Allah?" The shepherd added, "It might be easy to deceive my master, but how can I answer Allah? My master may not see me, but the master of all masters is always watching. How can I silence him?" Upon hearing this, Umar R.A. said, "As long as there are people like you in this ummah, no great corruption can overcome it." The reality of death. Dear viewers, there is one fact that every human agrees upon: we all have to face death one day. Even the greatest disbelievers and atheists cannot deny this truth. However, our heedlessness is such that we chase after the temporary gains of this world while neglecting the preparation for the hereafter. This world is fleeting. Even if one lives for 100 years, the final destination is death. Therefore, it is essential for us to correct our actions and prepare for the eternal life to come. Conclusion. Let us instill in our hearts the fear of Allah and a sense of accountability for the hereafter. The joy of paradise and the severity of hell should remind us to walk the righteous path in this life. Like, share, and subscribe so that more faith-inspiring videos can reach you.